In this video, we will be checking out the shoe update. Woo! Got the stuff in the tech webs. Oh, it's an ocean biome. I can get the fishing rod. Fish bucket. Wooden fishing rod. Fish bucket. I'm so mad. What? Bro, I'm so mad. I thought it was a shoe update. No, I'm complaining to the owners of this. It was a shoe update, and I was so excited for the shoe update. Ah! Crash out. Well, I guess I'm gonna fit. What? A magnet? Eventually you'll be able to sell fish loot. Oh! Wait, I can buy jelly bait? No, for silver beans. Biomes will have exclusive shop. No, fish. Where's the fishing? Oh. Oh my gosh, come on, come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yo. Oh, I got a football. You know what? Give me jelly bait. Give me jelly bait. Alright. No! Bro, you know what? I'm getting wormy bait. Wormy bait. Okay. I put worms on it. Come on. Well, let's get something with these worms. Oh yeah. What'd I get? I got a fishy that's so cute! Oh, it's a one. Oh, that's so cute! Am I recording? No! The fishies are dead! The fishy died! I killed the fishy. Oh, I made a Luigi dish. No, this is a different group. Magnetic. Please. Oh my gosh, what did I get? Oh, I got a fork! Can I make a custom fishing rod? I can make a custom fishing rod. I can make a custom fishing rod fork. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, I'm gonna catch it.
What did I just get?
What
is that thing?
You can put your baby on the fish.
Can you use that as a weapon?
No.
Ow!
Is this a troll? It's not bad, it's just...
I'm moving my fishing location.
It's genuinely...
Wait, what's this?
Well, Cody
found a bug in the lab. This update,
put it down, man. I feel bad for living.
with the
LLC. There's nothing else I can do with the fish.
I got a potion bottle.
Nothing else I can do with the fish. So let's see.
I got a potion bottle.
You can't let me play.
Oh, it makes nothing. It makes fog. Okay.
What do you call
can
bottled
use
water?
CJ.
Wait, ooh, I'm gonna get some wormy
You
bait.
could use a Pez fishing bait.
This update is way too small.
I got hooked. I got hooked. I got hooked. That shit. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. Oh, that's
CJ.
so stupid.
CJ,
Bro,
That's
who
so
lit a
dumb.
lighter in here, bro?
and then I pulled one out to check the difference. There's no difference between catching one and just getting one. Okay.
Oh, I got something. I got something. Let's go. What the hell? Jellyfish! Oh, jellyfish!
Whoa.
Give me that now. Give me that now.
I wanna hit someone.
You got bait.
People
I want this spot. I want this spot.
Yo, who wants pro rods? I have pro rods for everyone. You can all have pro rods.
Carson, thank you. You're so generous, Carson. We love Carson. You said Carson, you're like a generous person. Oh hell yeah.
Dude, I've never.
Yeah.